Hello everyone, so today we have the Mi TV web camera with us. Let's see how this product will help you do Google Duo video calls using your Xiaomi and Redmi smart TVs. Now let's see what do we have in the box. So this is the Mi TV web camera that comes in the box. It comes with a slider to protect it from scratches or dust. It also comes with a USB Type-C cable. You have to connect the USB Type-C cable to the web camera and the television, and you have to place this holder behind the TV. So as you can see, we have placed the Mi TV web camera on the television. Now let's see how this will help to do video calls using Google Duo. So for that you have to open Google Duo application in your smart TV. As you can see, we have a Redmi smart TV over here. In some smart TVs, the Google Duo application comes pre-installed. Otherwise, you can download it from the Google Play Store. So here you can see we have the Google Duo application. At first boot, you have to give some permissions to it. Allow. So as you can see, this is the live feed from the Mi TV web camera. This is the Google Duo application, and this you can see all the contacts are there. You can dial any number and you can search for any Gmail ID in it. So I have my friend over here. I am calling him. Let's see how this works. So there are two options for you to call. One is a voice call and one is a video call. We'll do a video call. So this is the ring that is going. Yes, hi bro.
Hi.
So am I audible clearly, loud and clear?
Yeah, it's loud and clear.
Loud and clear. Okay. So I would request you to call back to see how it works. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Thanks. So as you saw, that was a video call straight from the Mi TV web camera. Now let's see when he calls back how this one works. So we are getting a call from him. Yes. So that is the wow factor of Mi TV web camera. As you saw, I called him and he just now called back. Can you please wave or say something?
Hi.
Yeah.
Sure.
Sure. So this is actually a call from the Mi TV web camera. Hope you are liking the quality of it. Okay, thanks. Chalo, see you. Take care. Bye. Alright, so team, this was our Mi TV web camera, and we just now did a Google Duo video call using the Mi TV web camera on Xiaomi and Redmi smart TVs. Hope you liked the video. We would request every one of you to try this and share us some feedback on it. See you in the next video. Thank you.